everybody, welcome to another phonics session with me, Mrs. Sharp. So this is the last one in the week if you've been going through them in order. We have covered the R sound on Monday, the O sound on Tuesday, the sound on Wednesday. We played bingo on Thursday, and today on Friday it's going to be sound buttons. Let's flip it round. Now for a morning starter, if you want to, you can practice writing your letters. Now at our school we do cursive letters. If you're watching from a different school and you do cursive letters, join in. If not, then you might want to practice your letters how you do them. So this is how we do them. If you want to press pause, do it now. Okay, let's warm up and sing the alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Oh, well done. I'm out of breath. We've just been doing a workout video on YouTube with the kids. It was really hard. So, what letter name is this? O, W, K, D, S, C. Well done. Let's go through our sounds. A, T, T, P, P, I, S, E, N, M, G, K, O, D, K, L, O, K, F, L, S, F, B, J, V, Z, W, Y, X, Z. Well done, I really think we're getting better at that. Okay, let's do our digraphs and trigraphs. Ch, as in chicken. Qu, as in queen. Ng, as in ring. Th and th as in thumb. I as in night. A as in rain. Sh as in shoe. O as in goat. E as in leak. As in book. Oo as in moon. R as in card. O as in fork. As in burger. I as in coin. Ow as in cow. Ear as in beard. Air as in chair. Your or your as in pure. As in rubber. Well done. Tricky word time. How many are you getting? Do you know them all, or have you still got a few to learn? Either way, it doesn't matter. It's all fantastic practice. Let's learn them off by heart. You can hear any strange noises. Rufus the dog's just joined us. Fantastic. So this week we've covered the R sound, bark, hard, market and farmyard. On Tuesday we covered the O sound. We read sport, short, storm, thorn, corner. On Wednesday we did the sound, burn, hurt, church, burger. On Thursday we played bingo, and today we are going to be doing some sound buttons. So here they are. We've got some words with our digraphs in that we've been looking at all week. We've got words with the sound, words with the O sound, and words with the R sound. You can play this in two ways. You can either write out these words for your children on a piece of paper, or they can write them out themselves, and then they have to put a line under each digraph. And then if it's not a digraph, it's just the one sound, they put a dot under that. I'll do one with you. Or alternatively, you can press pause and the children can come and point to the screen and work it out that way, and they don't need to write it down. So if you're going to write it down, press pause now. I will go through one first. So if we had this word, the children would do this. B, there's our digraph, n, t. So it would be a dot under the b, a line under the a dot on the n, and a dot on the t. That way it really shows the children the sounds they need to say. So when it has dots and lines, they will just say b, n, t. They'll be able to say it straight away. So that's why we do sound buttons, to help the children spot those sounds within the words. Okay, moving on. Sentence writing. So you'll need a pen and paper or a pencil. And the sentence I want you to write is, I did a big burp. What sound does burp have in it? What sound of the week does it have? B-erp. It has the sound. So I did a big burp. That's 5 words. You need to write down all the sounds in those words before you move on to the next one. We need to start at the side of our page, and we need a capital letter, finger spaces, and a full stop at the end. If you want to extend this, then the children can use a conjunction in their sentences, and it might be something like, I did a big burp because I ate too much. So they can make it as silly as they like. Children like to write about things like this all the time, and when we're spelling, the sillier the word, the better, the more they enjoy it. So enjoy that sentence and let me know how you get on. Now, once we've finished, you can go onto YouTube. I will click on this, but we can't show you the video for copyright reasons. Wait till it comes up. This is a really good one to end the week on. So it's a Jack Hartman video, and it's called Make a Rhyme, Make a Move. It's really good, really active, and it's one that you can join in with your children too. So that's another week of phonics done. I hope you've all had fun. We're learning lots. Now, we know it's not the end of a session without a joke. I've got one for you here. Are you ready? What kind of music scares balloons? I don't know. What kind of music does scare balloons? Pop music! Do you get it? Pop a balloon and pop music. I'll work on some more for next week. Have a great week, everybody. Bye.